Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Combi is showing a LID error message? Let's fix it right away. We'll start with the simplest solutions first and work our way up to the more complicated fixes if needed. First, check if the lid is properly closed and locked. The LID error typically appears when the lid isn't securely in place. Rotate the lid gently until you hear a click, indicating it's fully locked. Next, inspect the lid seals and locking mechanism for debris or damage. Food particles or grease can prevent the lid from sealing properly. Wipe the seals and locking area with a damp cloth to remove any buildup. After that, reset your Ninja Combi by unplugging it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and test it again. A reset clears temporary glitches and gives the internal systems a fresh start. If the issue persists, inspect the gasket or sealing ring for wear and tear. A damaged gasket can prevent the lid from sealing correctly. If it's cracked or misaligned, replace it immediately following the instructions in your user manual. And there you go! Your Ninja Combi should now stop showing the LID error message. If these steps don't resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the lid sensor or internal components. We've added a link to the user manual at the top of the video description for more guidance. Or you can reach out to customer support for further assistance.